What's up, YouTube fans? It's your friend CORCOR. Today I'm finna show you how to make a RATEDDONT3 type beat, aka Don. So all you have to do is open Bandlab and then grab a sample that you want to sample and then crop it and make sure it sound like this. I meant look like this. I'm sorry, I just in a rush right now. So it should be sounding like this. If you want to sound more fastly, you had to put it on 117.8. And now I'm finna show you how you do the taps and all of that. First you have to press sample and then go to press the arrow up top that's by track 2. And then you press my kits, whatever you want to call it. If you already have your own kits, you already know how to save it, how to put it like that. Sometimes I've been using Look Tyler, so I'm finna press that. Then you had to press the thing 2 times so you could get in. Yeah, like that. So all you had to do is just press like 4 of the dots. Like you have to make it as like rectangles, just like this. And then you put 2 space, and then rectangle again. And then you had to put like another 2, make it short, and then make a rectangle and again. And like the same thing over. Then you add another rectangle. Hold on, you probably didn't see it. Yeah, like that. And then the other one like that, but make it as the same one. And then it's supposed to sound like this. Hold on. Let me mute the sample so you can hear the kicks while I'm trying to tell you. And make sure you press the loop like so it can repeat itself again. Alright, since we got that in the way, so now I'm finna put the claps, you know. Let me just figure out where it's at. Damn it. No, not this one. That crap. Where's one, bro? Oh, probably. Oh yeah, that one. So it's like this. Then add another one that's not off key. Yeah. Then add 2 dots like it's finna go fast, like that. Oh yeah. Move. Alright, let me stop. And now you had to add some taps and make sure it sounds the same like that. If you don't have that, then I'm finna drop my Bandlab username link in the description. And make sure the other end sound crazier, like 2 dots together, if you want to or not. And here's what it sound without the sample. Hold on. Crap. And now we finna add the 808 so it can match the the beat. Bro, where is it at? Which one? Dang! Freaking phone. And hold on, let me test it. Yeah, this 808. And all you had to do is make sure the 808 match the kicks. Cause if it's not, it's off key, homie. So let me get in the damn inbox. So do the same thing like you did to the kicks, like this. Don't remind me, I'm just figuring out which one flows better. Oh, this one. Okay, now it's supposed to sound like this. And press the loop again, and then make sure it's the same line as the other one. Hold on, you have to hear the 808, so you know I ain't tripping. Now it's time to hear the results. Make sure it's longer like this. And if you want to sound dark, you got to put it like that. We done, press the check mark. this. If you want to make it fast, you have to press 185. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next video.